Hi guys, Abs here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can reverse engineer websites, how you can reverse engineer your competitors, how you can reverse engineer businesses, and how you can reverse engineer actual people as well. And I'm not going to be showing and sharing methods that I've actually shared before with you in the past. In fact, I don't think I've actually seen anyone share anything like what I'm going to be sharing with you today. In previous videos, I've actually showed and shared with you how we can use special type of search engines to actually search for to search the source code of websites, and how to find websites that are using the same publisher ID, how to find websites that are using the same plugins, or how to find websites that are using the same autoresponders or whatnot. I'm sure I've also shared with you before a method where you can actually perform reverse IP domain checks to find out exactly what kind of websites are being are owned by the same users, or the same people, or that are being hosted on the same IP and same servers. So today I'm going to be sharing something with you that's not very typical, something that I haven't shared before, and I'm going to be sharing, and for this we're going to actually be using Google. So we're going to actually be using Google Images. Okay, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works. So this is Google Images. We all know about Google Images, guys, but we're going to be using Google Images now to reverse engineer businesses, people, products, and competitors. So the best example that I can do here is actually take you over to my Facebook page, and I'll go over to my friends list, and the majority of the friends on Facebook, I'm sure many of you guys are going to recognize some of them here, especially somebody like Lisa Allen. In fact, we'll use Lisa Allen as an example. I hope she doesn't mind. So Lisa, I'm very sorry if you do mind, but I'm really hoping you don't, because this technique can be used on absolutely everyone and anyone. It can be used on me, it can be used on whoever. I'm just using Lisa Allen here because she's come up on my Facebook page as one of my friends, and we've actually done a webinar with Lisa before. She's a great person to actually work with as well. So I'm going to actually save this image, if I can find the save image. Here we go, save image as, and I'm going to save this on my desktop. So let me just quickly save this over and I'll show you exactly what we need to. Okay, I've saved the images. I've saved Lisa's image. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually go ahead and drag Lisa's image inside of here. So let me just show you how this works. So here's Lisa's image, and I'm dragging it inside of here. I'm just going to add it into there, and Google's going to do a reverse search for me. So it's saying the best guess for this image is jewelry. So don't worry about that. Sometimes you find famous people and it'll actually give you a very good guess, and tell you who the person is. Other times it won't get a good guess whatsoever. However, we're not worried about what Google's best guess is, but what it's found to match Lisa's image. So from here, going up and down here, we can actually see where Lisa's image has been found by Google. So let's actually go through a few of these to find out exactly what kind of information we're getting. So we've got tubeviperx.com. Lisa's image is found in there. On there, Pinterest traffic blueprint. We've got Tube Viper ads. We've got RSS Authority Sniper. We've got Page Speed Mechanics. Now, I believe these are all Lisa's sites. Some of them might not be Lisa's sites. Some of them might be, I don't know if Tube Viper X is actually Lisa's site or not. Let's have a look. Okay, yes, it is. It is Lisa's site, and as you can see, she's got herself on there as well. And by going through all this, guys, you can find so many more sites and social properties that Lisa is mentioned on, and where she's hanging out, maybe even forums that she's actually putting her picture on there as well. I mean, look at this, wpscarcityjeet.com. I don't believe that's Lisa's product. I believe that could be Cyril Jeet's product, because of the Jeet inside of there. Okay, I don't know how Lisa's images come up on it. Oh, okay, here we go. So we've got Lisa's image on here as well. And you could do this with basically any one of your competitors, any one of your friends as well. In fact, you could actually go over to forums like the Warrior Forum, find somebody you know that's actually making a lot of money from sites, or find somebody you know that's actually giving a lot of advice and they're coming from other forums and you want to know where they're actually hanging out. Then this is how you can actually use this. You could actually go ahead and find out where your competitor is actually noted and listed absolutely everywhere. So if you find your businesses or a business's logo, so we can actually use, let me see if I can give you another example. Okay, so here's what I've done. I've just typed in carpets Peterborough. I'm actually from Peterborough. I went over to this site here, Herewoods Carpet, and I actually saved this image. What I'm going to do now is go over to Google search and type this inside of here. So let's just say, for example, I was a carpet cleaning company or I was selling carpets, whatever, and these were my competitors. So I've got the image, I'm dragging it inside of Google. Okay, so Google just given us a guess over there. What I can do now is see from here, okay, it hasn't actually given us a lot of areas. In fact, it's only given us the actual competitor's website. So maybe they're not even, you know, they haven't got any backlinks, or they haven't got loads of mentions or anything. But anyway, the more competitive the niche, the more kind of work you're going to be seeing them doing on the internet. So this is a brilliant way that you can start reverse engineering people, businesses, competitors, and websites to find out exactly where they're hanging out, what other website properties they have as well, or whatever you want really, what kind of social properties and whatnot you as well. So anyway, I really hope you enjoy this video, and I hope it's going to be something you're going to be able to put into work and benefit from.